Are you looking to find how you can embed video in Twitter tweets? There is an option to retweet the video that we find in Twitter, but it will give us the whole post by the person, including the captions and all. If you only want the video to embed in a tweet, here's how you can do it. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can embed video in Twitter tweets. So let's get started. It's pretty easy. Just go to your X app or Twitter app, launch it. Now find the video that you want to embed in your tweet. So if I want to embed this video in my tweet, just long press on it and then click on post video. Click on it. Now write your caption if you wish. Let's say I'm gonna write embedding video, right? And then finally post at the top right corner. Post. Your post was sent. Let's see how the post is looking by going to our profile, embedding video. Now you have successfully embedded video in a tweet. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do give this video a big thumbs up, and for future video updates, make sure you subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Until next time, bye bye.